So it's editing day here at the Daily Driver Project, or better known as my apartment, whatever way you want to look at it. This is really more of an update about how often you'll be seeing a vlog and that kind of stuff, and the normal day-to-day operation type of things. So the goal of the vlog is basically to bring you guys automotive fun, automotive goodness, automotive car shows, stuff that's going on in Southern California. I know some of you don't live in Southern California, but I'm sure you hear about our great weather and everything else, and it's true, we have great weather most of the time. Today actually started off a little gray, but it's nice and sunny out right now. So, but what I'm going to do is try to do like one vlog a week minimum, sometimes two, maybe three. It just depends on how much content I can get, typically during the week and over the weekends, and it'll be out the next weekend. Now, right now, I'm behind because I'm actually learning Premiere Pro at the same time that I'm starting to vlog, which is just a little crazy. But thanks to things like YouTube and all the other craziness, you can really learn a lot by just doing and playing with it. I'll put a couple links down below that of guys I've looked at and things I've looked at if you're interested in Premiere Pro, that have great shortcuts and recommendations and just ways to help you get to what it could be. So we'll do that. Side note, if you ever want to see a bitchin' documentary about racing in Southern California in the early 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s, Where They Race is an awesome documentary. Google it, look it up, it's awesome. Getting back to what we were talking about. So again, I'm going to try to do one a week. That's what you should expect. You should expect a minimum a one a week, unless I'm sick or some sort of. So it always seems that the phone rings right in the middle of when you're doing this, doesn't it? I don't know why that is, but it was an important call. I had to take it, but hey, moving on. So what you'll see is you should see a vlog from me once a week about car shows and automotive stuff, and who knows what else. We may go down other paths and different things also. We will see as we go. So as I'm sitting here talking to you guys, I look down at my shoes and I think I need some new Vans. Look at this. Did you see that hole? Holy mackerel. I guess I've, not been paying attention and been busy, but, things happen. I need new shoes. Moving on. But with that, stick around. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the new ones. Make sure you hit that little bell. The notification bell lets you know that there's new posts coming out. And make sure you like this and like any future stuff and like previous stuff, and, just stick around and hang out with me and the Daily Driver Project and see what's in the future. And I'd love for you guys to be part of the community that is the Daily Driver Project. It would be fantastic. See you in the next video. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. If you want to see more street spots and car show coverage and some of the other old car automotive goodness, you can check it out right here, dailydriverproject.com. You can also see the link down below in the show notes, along with all my social media stuff. Check those out too. Instagram, Pinterest, blah, blah, blah. I can't even think of Facebook, so on and so forth. There's lots of them, nowadays. So, thanks for stopping by.